Mabuhay! Sawadika! Annyeonghaseyo! Konnichiwa! This is your Unika! Ayan na! O, ganyan. Hey! Ito ang cute! Influencer yun! Narinig niya yung boses natin. Ay, narinig niya yung tawag si Shaky. So, etong official. Hello po. So, ito ang, ano ba to?
Naku, makikita niya tayong paalis na, tapos tignan niya yung kwarto.
Kaya nga eh. Last, ano ba to? Hindi pa last to eh. May isa pang gabi, second to the last na araw. Bukas maaga na kami kasi maaga yung flight namin. Maglalaan kami ng 3 hours before. So, siguro mga 6 or 7 a.m. bumabiyahe na kami. Good morning! So, nandito tayo sa Whirlpool Aero car. Salamin, pinasalamin. So, bibili po tayo ticket. Ang init today na naman. Parang ito pa lang yung ika-third or fourth day na ganito kainit sa Canada. Hindi ko rin sure eh. I-figure out natin. Ang hapdi sa balat. Hindi siya masaya ng init.
Ganda.
So, nandito kami sa gift shop pero sa overlooking kami pupunta. So, ayun. Ito ba? So, sasakay na tayo. Ay, oh, nag-small talk.
So you guys can stand on any side or the middle. Just make sure you're not blocking the yellow bar at the very back because it's the door. Whatever side you do pick, we will be switching sides halfway. So if you're on the left, on the way back, you'll be on the right and vice versa. If you have a small child that needs to be carried, you gotta stay in the middle. But if they can walk, you're free to go on the sides, but they gotta stay on the ground the whole time.
Siniswitch din pala. So, pwede ka rin gitna. Okay lang din, either way.
Nagmamatter yung front or back.
Oo.
Kasi magsiswitch kayo halfway through.
Okay,
True.
so ako,
So, saan tayo? Kasama kita, Oklo.
Kanan tayo.
Saan tayo? Sige.
bye girls.
Bye! Yay! Hi! Nagsibaban.
Ay, puta, ina ka. Ay, saan? Gagay na ka rin ako.
Wala naman.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Whirlpool Aero car. My name is Ben. and I'll be your
Ah,
captain today.
ayun!
Saan?
Don't forget to get yourself with that little tunnel ways over
Ba't
there.
di ko
We will be
nakikita?
switching sides, so don't worry about missing any of the gears.
May nakikita ba? May nakikita ba kayo? Hindi ko nakikita.
Looking over to my right, you'll see the Niagara Rapids. The water's coming down into the whirlpool at about 35 to 40 kilometers an hour. It's graded across
Ay, hindi
the
mo
tropics
naka-blue.
as the most dangerous
Ay, oo
zone
nga.
in North America.
Ang liit niya.
You're not allowed to whitewater raft, jet ski, motorboat, really anything along those lines, just because of how dangerous it would be. The only exception to this rule would be the Whirlpool jet boat tours located in Niagara on the lake. I don't see any right now. However, if you do see a neon-colored boat going up and down the stream, maybe run the whirlpool a bit. Hopefully that's what I'm talking about. And I'll pull it out if I see it. So,
Dalawa sila.
Ayun siya, oh.
Kaya nga.
Ano sa camera?
Ayun pa, dalawa pa.
getting over to my right, you see this large, massive blade across the river.
Ayun nga, oo
It's
nga.
also known as the
So,
United
sabihin
States of
pwede?
America. Well, in the clip here, you may see a couple hikers lining great fencing. They'd be in the Whirlpool State Park, located in Niagara Falls, New York. Well, there's one of the jet boats I was talking about, like waiting down the stream. Nice blue one. That boat is called the Freedom. Ironic, because that's the only one with a roof. Staying like way down on the American side, you may see that tall brick, or sorry, I can't talk today, I apologize. That tall concrete wall, and that'd be the Robert Moses Generating Station located in Lewiston, New York. And while I'm on this topic, the Whirlpool Aero car is suspended by 2 Canadian points. However, we do cross the Canadian-American border a total of 4 times on this trip. So 2 times on the way here, and 2 more times on the way back. Basically, the border goes right down the middle of the river.
Mga tao ko
It
yan.
goes into the middle of the whirlpool and back down the middle of the river going down the stream.
Tatalon na ako.
As I'm speaking right now, we're all in America, going back into Canada. I hope everybody brought their passports or you're in for a nice swim. That was a joke,
4
actually.
times tayo
Don't take
tatawid
it too
ng
seriously.
border.
I would never push you guys in. It was way too much paperwork. I did have this one lady though, what was it, like a year and a half ago or so? She took me a bit too seriously on the joke when she actually pulled out her passport from her pocket. The reason why I remember this so well is because she ended up dropping it in the river.
Shit!
Yeah, very unfortunate, especially since she said she had to go back to Europe the next day. So we're not too sure what really happened to her. But maybe she's still chilling in Niagara Falls. I don't know.
Pero buti na lang last day na ng trip niya.
We are nearing the end of the first half of our trip, so we will be switching sides. If I could have everybody listen up, this is how we're going to do it. So once we come to a complete stop, we'll have everybody on my right-hand side start walking down towards me, walk behind me and head towards my left. And everybody on my left-hand side to walk
ikot
up,
kayo.
cross over top, and head to my right. So we're going in a clockwise direction. I'll let you know when we can start. For my friends in the middle, you can walk around in a circle if you want to feel included. And if there's one thing you can do to help me out during this process, it's just not to stop and take photos, because everything go a lot quicker, trust me. Yeah, we're only
So,
stopped here for another like 10, 15
trip to
seconds.
Jerusalem. Magsi-switch ng sides. Uy, gagi. Parang ayaw rin lang kasi mag-switch
Yeah, it's like
din.
a big game of follow the leader. Keep the bomb moving, everybody. We got this.
Wow! Wow! Sige na, dito na tayo.
We're just about halfway there, guys. If everybody can keep moving down for me, please. There, you may have noticed in that small tunnel behind us now, that large silver bucket looking thing. That'd be our rescue car, and that'd be one of the things saving your life if this car would ever stop working for some reason. Everybody starts listening. But basically what would happen is if the Aero car would stop working, we do have one thing before the rescue car we use, which is our diesel engine located back underneath the ticket booth. So in order for the Aero car to stop working, we'd use our diesel engine. If our diesel engine to stop working, we'd use our rescue car. If our rescue car were to stop working, there's what, like 32 of us on board? We can make up some kind of...
Tapos na.
You said the deck was 120 feet?
126 feet.
Oh, sorry.
Thank
All
you.
good.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
So don't forget that
Yeah,
sip.
that's it. So, tapos na kami sa Whirlpool Aero car. Mabilis lang siya. Literal na dumaan ka. Sabi nung lalaki kanina, 4 times kaming tumawid ng border ng US-Canada. Tapos, may dati daw na taga-Europe ba? Taga-Europe na sineryoso yung joke nila about sa passport emerald. Kaya nilabas niya, tapos nalaglag niya sa tubig. So, ayun. Buti na lang last day na ng trip ng girl. Napaka... Tapos, ano pa ba?
IKEA tayo.
Yun lang ginawa namin. Mabilis lang siya. After 2 hours. Wala. Harating na kami sa IKEA.
Tayo magsabi mo sa masa.
Grabe ang traffic. Ang dami kasing ginagawa, so nag-detour. Lahat ng tour.
Masyado sa maraming pera.
Lahat. Ikot kayo nang iikot.
Kayo nga mag-navigate.
Opo. Ay, nasa daan. Ay, iikot ka pa. To this way. So, nasa IKEA kami ng Canada. Ito po. Ayan. Okay na. Tada. Kakain lang kami. Hindi kami bibili furniture. Taste test IKEA Canada. Nagkaiba lasa dito. Parehas ang dito? Diba? Iba lasa.
Ano mas masarap?
Mas masarap dito.
Dito?
Oo. Doon ang kasama spaghetti na may tubig.
Ha?
Spaghetti na matubig. Sa big bus na lang. Sorry po. So, tapos na kumain. Tapos na kami kumain sa IKEA. And ang review ay mas masarap dito kumpara sa Pinas. So, ayan. Di ko na kayo na-update pero naglilibot kami sa neighborhood. Kung tatanungin ko anong neighborhood, hindi ko rin sure. Basta downtown Toronto, Ontario. Actually, may pinasok na kaming grocery.
Si...
Go Frills. Go Frills Dominion.
Ay, yung pinay. Looks.
Blocks. B-L-O-O-K-S.
Looks ba talaga?
Hindi ako sure.
Ay, oo, kasi sabi mo kayo na blocks.
Oo.
Kasi kala natin C.
Oo. Blocks. So, ayan. Search nyo na lang. Ang galing ng sahig. Rainbow. Blur. Di ba blur?
Alam mo, dalawang O.
Looks a blur.
Yung sa dalawang O.
Paki-figure out na lang.
Comment down doon.
Basta yung may grocery sa van na Go Fleet. Go Fleet.
Ayun, blur nga.
Blur. Subway. Hala, ang cute.
Pwede ka lang mag-break. Kahit ka na mag-watch. Naman walang ganong birthday.
Napepestahan.
Sa pwesto ko wala.
Manulife. Nire-recruit ako dyan para mag-work sa Pinas. Hahanap tayo ng pogi within the streets. Wow! Ikaw na ba si Mister? Nasa streets pa rin kami, pero hindi ko na alam kung anong street to. Sorry. Padundas daw siya, pero 20 minutes ba? Away pa. Feel ko nasa kabilang side tayo ng tita. Sa street na to, maraming milk tea. Ayaw mo i-check yun nandun, no?
Meron ba doon?
Check natin.
Let's go yung dito. Taste test ng Coco Milktea. Oo nga, tumutulong nga. Nabasahan. Masarap yung ayo. Talaga ba? Masarap lasang Pinas. Lasang Pinas lang. Wala lang siya ng mini pearls, pero lasang panda rin.